Today, we will talk about how to decide what to do with your life. Let's have a look at the details. Ever catch yourself wondering, how do I decide what to do with my life? It can be hard to stare out at a world of swirling possibilities and choose just one thing from the mix. But instead of looking at your life as an abstract thing that happens in the future, look at it as something that's happening right now, at this moment. The first step is understanding your options. Make a list. Write down 5 to 10 things that you can imagine doing with your life. Anything that comes into your head. Pilot, firefighter, teacher, author, park ranger, carpenter, neuroscientist, anything. Read over your list and see which choices leap out at you. Separate the realistic options from the fantasies, and choose 2 or 3 ideas to explore further. Say, firefighter and park ranger. Brainstorm your interests and dreams. Start by taking some time to think about your biggest hopes and dreams. Take a few days to consider where you want to be going. Take a good look at your life. Consider the choices that you have in front of you. There are many paths through life, but not all of them are realistic or convenient, and not all of them are fulfilling. Think about what you can and can't do. Think about what's important to you. Do you want to live in a city, or in a small town? Do you want to have kids? Do you want to be famous? Do you want to dedicate your life to a cause, or do you just want to be happy? Figure out what's important to you, and let this purpose guide you, but be prepared for your priorities to change as you move through life, learn, and grow older. Don't choose just one thing. You can be a doctor and a poet, a mechanic and a dancer, a teacher and a writer. Try to imagine a combination that sounds exciting. If you're going to live in human society, you will need to support yourself with money. However, this doesn't mean that money must be your sole purpose, just that you will need it to support yourself while you do other things. Talk to people. Draw inspiration from people who are living lives that seem interesting, people who seem happy and present. If you hear about a job or lifestyle that sounds interesting and worthwhile, consider trying it out. Test the waters. If something seems interesting, take a closer look. Research any jobs and lifestyles that strike you as legitimate possibilities. Remember, you don't have to commit to doing anything forever. And, the second step is exploring your options. Jump into something. You can spend all day staring out at the horizon, but you won't get anywhere until you start swimming. Find a new job, set out on an adventure, start taking classes, or try out a new lifestyle. Remember, you can always, at any moment, change directions and try something new. Focus on the next few years, not the rest of your life. Forget about when you're 80. Where do you see yourself in a year? In 5 years? Your life will unfold as you live it. Try volunteering or joining a service organization. Consider AmeriCorps, the Peace Corps, WWOofing, volunteering at a nonprofit, or getting certified to teach English as a second language. These are great programs if you don't know what you want to do for the rest of your life, but want to work and grow and feel productive in the present. Your experience might run anywhere from 1 week to 2 years. It will look great on a resume, and it will help you learn about your place in the world. Remember that you can always change course. The choices that you make now will lead directly to the choices that you make in a month, a year, or a decade. But that doesn't mean that you have to settle for a job or lifestyle that you hate. Stuck is a mindset. At any point, in any situation, you can either stay the course or break the course. The important thing is that you start swimming. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.